Welcome to the House Doctor. Today we're going to pick the winner of our Super Clean giveaway. We didn't get as many comments as I thought we did, so there's only a handful of people whose names are going to go in the hat. So in just a moment we're going to pick the winner. Alright, let's find out who's going to be our Super Clean giveaway winner. The names of everybody who commented, put them in the hat. Shake it up a little bit, Vanna, if you will. And we have our winner. Let's see. All right, Rick, congratulations. You're the winner. All you have to do is shoot an email to housedoctorray@gmail.com with your address. I'll forward it over to Super Clean and they'll send your products right out to you. To everybody, thanks for putting your comments down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Thank you.